Tuntum video chuan Robinson Crusoe English page 47 nakakan zer anga amasa chuan kan ti dan tur chu at story kha kan chiar chuak put phot anga chumi hnuwa word meaning te sei fi ngai te kan sei don ani Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day, he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. One day, when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints, and to tell if it had been my imaginations. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. At last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole in the rock which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time, but what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own foot mark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Hey, aton tutang puisunia Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe. Ton tu atanga lak so ani le tikhan atira kan han keu le lenga word meaning te le soi ngai te ka soi don ni helai hian thuma suai ron ta Robinson Crusoe a long kha tui pui na ti siat vek awangin kum tam tak chung chu ama chawin thlerkara oma thien kom tura du em thina ni khat chu footprint angai nyang niak te thla a muwa chu mi chung chang chu kan vaina hian kan zer don ani le a thon tu khan lo lu tai la one day when I was going towards my boat ni khat chu ka long mo long boat long ka long lama ka kalai chuan towards ti chu lama tinani ta a I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I was surprised makti to see mu footprint ti chu ke tha niak kan ti kha of a man missing on the sand. Nge nge le ya bi cha chuan vut te om thina tro khata ke niak ka mu kha makkat le ma ya I stood amazed makti takin kadinga stood ding amazed to makti. I listened kan ngai tha I looked around me ka bulvel te chu kan han en kuala I could neither hear nor see anything. I could neither hear nor see anything. Engma siat benga thom siat le mutur mu thei kanei chung lova. I went up higher to look down. Went kal higher sang zok to look down chung sang zok tanga hun sang zok tanga en bi thaturin kan lon sanga. I went up to the shore and down the shore. Up and down the shore at this one kalton velt tina anita shore ti chu vào kam ti pi kam kha but it was no good at hello tina ni lova ta chuan omzi omlo engma mu le siat tur kan ni chung lo ani tina ni ta ni I could find no other footprint but that one find chu mu other chu adang footprint ti chu niak but chu ma se khami ka mu bak chu footprint dang reng mu tur kan nei ka mu thei chung lova I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints. I went to it again ti chu ke niak amna lama chuan ka vakal le non le again non to see if there were any more footprints. Footprints dang niak dang alo mem ti en turin ka vakal non le hi where kan ti china ni chuan war te lam turani and to tell if it had been my imagination. To tell satiang turin if it had been ti am je chu alo ni my imagination ka ngai tu na ka suang tu na mai te alo ni ti satiang turin ka vakal non le but I was not mistaken ma se kalau ti sual lo tinani mistaken ti sual was not ni sual lo tinani mai ta ma se ka ti sual ave for there was exactly the print of a foot achan chu tinani lai for chu ti lai mun nge chuan exactly chu chiang takin chu lai tak chuan ke tha chu lo nge yani alama kan le ka bo pon alam kha kan mu kha toes chu ke zung chang heel nge nang ke artui every part of a foot ani la hi foot ti to ne lam thui do lek tur ani ke part zong ke zia zong kha vek ani atinani I could not imagine how it came there. Could not to thei lo imagine ngai tua suang tua how it came there to telaya chu ke ni lo ngot dan tur chu ka ngai tua chuak zo lo ani I stayed for a long time thinking stayed chu long time thinking chu ngai tua chu lai chuan ri tak chu ngai to in ka zuya but became more and more confused to sathiam lo makti mar chu more and more zual zel inani maya ka thiam lo zual to mai zok ani si At last I returned home very frightened. At last atopa chuan return late home in lama chuan ka let le very frightened ani chuan lau takin looking behind me every 2 or 3 steps looking behind me hoi let after nuwa every 2 or 3 steps pen ni te pen thum nuwa te every chu tin tina ni ta a pen ni pen thum apiang chuan ka hoi let zuk zuk zela mistaking every bush and tree to be a man mistaking chu hai o emoti every kan se to tin bush ti chu thing buk niam te te ho ka bush ania and tree thing kung to be a man thing kung te le thing buk niam li le te chu missing emo tin ka musual rang my box a te ni when I came to my cave which I called my castle ka pu ka thlen chuan mo chu pu chu castle kul tin ka ko ve mai thina oh call chu ko I ran inside it in chungla ma chong ka tlan lu ta as if I was being chased tuina mo min ni mai o mang hian chased ti chu oh as if chu ni ni ang hian tinang daw ni chu I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole I do not remember kasi to lo oh remember siya whether nge I used the ladder ku leilon ka mang nge went in by the hole hole ti hi ong kwa tinani ong le kwa tang chuan ka lut in the rock lunga ong le ong emo kwa emo atang chuan ka lut zo nge po chu ka se se ti to lava which I called the door chu ong chu nge ni kong ka ti ve mai thina ni call chu ko oh I ran for cover biruk na tur ka zonga cover ti chu biruk na min le tu tinani mai faster than any animal could run faster chu chak zok in any animal ramsa po tan thei aya chakka tlanin ka tlan lu tani I did not sleep that night chu mi zan chuan kamu hilre rang lava the more I thought about what I had seen the more afraid I became kathil mu mo the more I thought about kangai to tampo le kathil mu chung chang kangai to tampo le the more afraid I became kalau to my sia afraid to lao oh I thought it could be one of the savages nin ka sia oh I thought it so nin ka ngai nin ka sia it could be animai thai one of the savages so Nicole Namkol tinang daw ni chu of the mainland kar sang koma alien big the mainland te pon tia ni la pon ram lai li lam te po khan ni chu a Namkol zingami te po ni mayang a ti te ka ngai tua who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat chu tiang mi zingami pakhat wandered chu te vak vel kalkual vel sea chu tui pui out to the sea tui pui a lo kal chuaka long teron kai ve anianga ti te kangai tu a luckily I was not on shore at that time luckily vanei thla takin I was not on shore wa kama chuan kalo omlawa at that time chu ti lai chuan vanei thla takin chu ti lai chuan wa kama chuan kalo omlo lai takania but what if he had seen my boat ma se what if ani chuan ta se tinang daw ni chu he had seen my boat ka long kham ta se tin ni ta angle if he had seen the boat he would have realized that someone lived on the island if he had seen the boat ka long chu alo mu ani hlau chuan realize fe chuak someone to emo lived cheng life ti lo to live he island to ni eastland ti lovin island ti to ni clear card inania cheng someone to emo kalong khalong mu hlok ani chuan chu clear card a chuan to emo ni a cheng ti a mai don sia and would soon return with others to kill and eat me and would soon return alo le thuanga with others to midang te ne lo le thuanga to kill that and eat me min thata min mai to ren adon le thoi om sia tin alo ngai to ani chu And so I lay fearful for many days. And so, chu tiang chuan I lay mu fearful lau many chu ni tam tak days chu ni chu tiang chuan lauin ri tak chu ka oma and prayed for protection. Prayed chu tong chai for protection ven himna dilin ka tong chai ya. In doing so, I was much comforted. Tu tia kan tia chuan nuam ka ti ta huai ka thaveng de huai thina and began going out to investigate began to turn going out ka chuak investigate to chui chiang and chiang but even now as I went forward amara chu tun thleng pohen kala mazo sotilama alama kala kal chuan forward ti chu malam tinani mai I look behind me frequently. I look and behind me kanunglam frequently. Zing takin kahoile zuk dang maya tinani chu because I was still very frightened. Achan chu I was still very frightened. Laulu tok. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days, amero chu tianga and so nothing I became a little bolder. So nothing little claiming bolder bold wasn't claiming kalau wasn't vele I decided to go down to the shore again. Decided go down to shore welcome again welcome lama chuan chuk thak le non le chuk tum ta and examine the footprint once more. Examine to and chiang bel chiang the footprint keniak once more vai khat le na rang chu chuk en chen le chuk tum ta I decided to measure it with my own foot mark ka keniak ne na te dun khatumani decided to measure te my own kema foot mark chu niak ke tha tina thau kha alani as I came closer to the footprint closer like as one lai chuan tinang chu footprint ke niak kapan lai chuan I realized that it could not be my footprint. I realized fear could not be ni theilo my footprint ka niak ka ni theilo ti ka se chu chianga because achan chu I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Hitlai beach ani la beach chu kan chi ti pe kam balu te thin na kha tv te pokan mu thinang anga khan textbook apo kha hun de tak chung chu khalai mun akhan ka kal to ngai lova long time re tak chung secondly adot le chuan panina chuan as I place my foot alongside the footprint ke niak bula aka ke kan da ve chuan place to the foot to ke it seemed larger than my own nialang larger lian zok ain ema kata ain ka ke niak ain alien zokin alang ani my fear returned fear launa return lo let ka launa chu lo let le ta I went home again believing that there was someone there tulaya chuan tuemo anom nia ngain ka hole ani believing ring there's someone tuemo there the island was inhabited island here kar kan ti hey island 11 inhabited chu michengan island a hen michengan ani ti katita chu mi je chu island a khan ama chu no mo alo ti chat nani ei athon thupum pui hi thon tungai nom tak mai ni na kena inland de hunate abute inla sirve anga chu chuan thon tu te chu akumin le khabular tak mai ani na sirve nge don nia ta hian question kan nei ta ku question ku kan en le anga what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint eng wang nge Robinson Crusoe khan ground leya tha thil tha chu ke tha nge nia thiat oh why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees think bush le tree te a en a mu khan eng wang nge Robinson Crusoe kha a hlau khan a hlau why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint a mu khan nga tinge Robinson kha a tong chai pray tong chai oh so no one choose the correct answer lom neta a heng how he Robinson went back to his home as fast as he could chu a thei to pachakin Robinson chu a in lama chuan a tlan howa heng hi khoi ber khunge a chan niang was racing and tlan siak was afraid loud was in a hurry to go home in san wat adu nani tani he could not sleep ti chu mu thei lo a chan chu there was an animal outside his cave. He thought savages had come from the mainland. His bed was uncomfortable. Apuk ma a chuan ramsa an om awan muhil thelo nge nam kol tak mi te kha ramchung re lamatangin andon kal ni ina sia akhum uncomfortable ti chu nuam lo bed chu kan the tro akhum chu nuam lo lu tu ka amhil thelo emmi mo chuan adon le khan phegle lama khan why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint and why nge Robinson Crusoe khanin kan ne kha ama ne kan lo ti a chen na it didn't look like a human footprint missing ke tha ang lo look like ang lo ang tinane didn't look like an son ang lo tinane maya it looked smaller than his ama ke niak ain alang te zok he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time helai muna hian de tak chung chu akal to lo awangin khoi ber hingen ta ang lo ngai to taila where was Robinson Crusoe kha khoi nge on a boat longa in a town khopuya alone on an island alone chu mani chawin Sierkara mani chu na on an aeroplane thona a so theina a le kha ho kha tum video chuan ani anga hemi video to pa hian question and answer le choose the correct answer ho hi answer karon da ngala he in lo copy anga in lama in lo zerdon tin a thon thu hi voi thum tal lo share chokola nal takin ne takin share thiam tum turani thumal lam thiam lo kan ni lai ta kan ni chuan a video an nan le mai turani tin thumal kan soi ba ka kan soi mai ta zinga mi emo kan soi apo chiang tok lo te chuan WhatsApp lama te phone call po in zo se lo turani thun mi lo tur ani